Hey guys, welcome and welcome back. I'm going to be talking about skin rolling today. Skin rolling is a very old practice and is found in a lot of old cultures. It's there in Egyptian culture, it's there in Mayan culture, it's also there in Chinese culture, and of course, it's part of the Indian skincare. In the Indian skincare, we generally use skin rolling when we're massaging our face with uptons or with scrubs or even oil massages that we do for ourselves. We generally use the ball of the digit, and it gives you a very nice gentle pressure all over your. Why is skin rolling really good? Skin rolling works in multiple ways. The primary way that skin rolling really works is that it actually helps move the lymph on your face. It's just like the blood circulatory system, it's also called the lymph circulatory system. And when the lymph is not moving along the body as it should, it pools on your face. So, the nights where you've had a lot to drink, or you've had a late night, or you've not had enough water, the lymph kind of pools on your face and you get a very puffy face. So skin rolling really helps move the lymph around. We've got three lymph pumps basically, just like the heart is responsible for the circulating the blood. There are lymph pumps which are responsible for circulating the lymph along our body. For the face, you need to activate the pumps behind your ears, and the best way to do it is use these two fingers over here, and then in this area along your collarbone, you pump it over here. So the idea is to move the lymph along your face, put it over here and pump 1, 2, 3, and move it over here and pump 1, 2, 3. So what happens with the skin rolling is that when the lymph moves, your skin can actually start breathing better and the blood circulation jumps up. It increases and becomes faster, in a way giving you a good flush and giving you immediate plumpness from skin rolling. It also helps in tightening up your skin immediately because now the lymph is moving along the lymph pumps, so it really helps that way. You can also expect a good freshness and glow to your skin. So skin rolling is very recommended in your skincare. There are a few skin rollers that are available in the market. Among the top ones is the ice roller, then there is the Derma Roller, and then there's the Jade roller. The Jade rollers come basically from the Chinese skincare system, and the reason why Jade is so popular is because Jade has an inherent property of it being very cooling for your skin. And when it's cooling for your skin, it kind of calms your skin a lot. And that's what skin rolling really helps you, because when the skin is calm, it doesn't tend to inflame as fast, doesn't tend to get irritated as fast, and it's particularly very good when you have acne or when you have melasma, because you want your skin to be always calm in such situations. So Jade roller is very recommended if you prefer a tool like a Jade roller. However, it's not important that you use the oils that the brands recommend that you use with their Jade rollers. You just require any oil that is going to give you good slip. So you could use coconut oil if you're used to it. You could use your mustard oil, which I know a lot of you use as part of your skincare, thill oil, and you could also use squalene if you want. You basically want something to give you a slip so that your roller moves around gently without any friction on your skin. The second derma roller is the derma roller, which is a variation of what the professional dermatologists use in their practice or in their offices. And this is the home edition of the derma roller. I got one a few months back to kind of test it out. And what it has is these small needles on it. These are 0.25 mm needles, so they don't really puncture your skin in any way. The idea behind these derma rollers is that when you move it along your skin, it creates small tears and activates the skin's healing response. And in that response, a lot of collagen and elastin is moved to the wound site, and that kind of helps in reinforcing your skin, making it tighter, younger, and even helping reducing wrinkles. This requires a lot of maintenance because post every use, you're supposed to sanitize it with a sanitizer and sanitize the cradle that it comes in very well, and then keep it, because remember, this is coming in contact with your skin cells and it can introduce a lot of infection to your skin if you don't sanitize it, and also if it is handled carelessly. So when you're using this, you got to make sure your hands are sanitized and this area is completely sanitized before you start applying it on your face. The last type of derma roller is the ice roller. This has some kind of a gel solidified over here, and you put it in the freezer compartment of your fridge and you use it in the morning or every night before your skincare routine. This gives you an immediate flush because it's so cold on your face. Your blood just starts circulating in full speed and you can almost feel an immediate flushness on your skin. This is also one of the cheapest, I think, because this is priced at $325. This is priced, I think, at about $400. And the Jade rollers can be anything from $500 to even $2,500 to even $3,000. Now, among all these three rollers, which would I recommend? Now, Jade rollers give you the benefit only if you have the purest jade, because like we shared earlier, jade rollers need to be very cooling, and that's the reason why jade is preferred as a stone for skin rolling. However, jade is very expensive. It's very hard to mine, and it's not a very commonly found rock. It's very rare. So there is an ecological impact of it. So I'm not a very big fan of jade rollers at all. What you're getting in the market more often than not it's a nephrite or a dyed quartz is what it is. And so even though they look like jade, they don't have the quality of jade, which is extremely cooling. So I wouldn't really recommend a jade roller to you, because I just find, one, that you're using something that's not really the right jade for you, the right stone for you, and secondly, why spend so much of money? The second skin rolling tool is the Derma Roller. This comes with a lot of caution because it has the capability to puncture your skin, especially if your skin has got acne or is delicate or has a broken surface. It can cause a lot of damage. So I personally don't recommend it because I don't know if you need it, because it really doesn't affect your skin in any way. I used it for 4 months and I could see no dramatic effect. So I think it's more like a placebo effect. You rub karte raho and collagen serum lagate raho and hopefully you'll feel good. So I don't think it has any effect really, personally. Second thing is, I don't recommend this if you have acne, because you're going to tend to puncture your acne, because it's going to be a bumpy surface over there, and you're going to spread the bacteria all over your face. Plus, you also have the potential of introducing bacteria from here back to your acne, so not recommended at all. Then if you have melasma, this is definitely going to cause irritation on your skin, and when you have any type of pigmentation, any irritation on your skin can cause the pigmentation to become darker, because again your skin gets agitated and inflamed, and as a result causes the melanocytes get triggered, and that causes more pigmentation. So not recommended. Do I recommend this at all? यार देखो, अगर आपको एक्सपीरियंस करना है एक बार कर लो, but on a scale of 1 to 5, it's probably a 0.5 is the effect that you will ever see out of this. These are more effective when you go to a dermatologist's office, and those needles are far larger than this, and those cause real punctures on your skin, tiny punctures. In about 3 to 4 weeks time, you can see your skin actually visibly plump up and the wrinkles kind of smoothen out. But as a home edition, not so much. The best and my favorite are the ice rollers. I mean, they're so convenient to use. You put them in your fridge, take them out in the morning, and you can just roll it away on your skin. And here is a musculature chart. Make sure you follow this musculature chart. If you need it for your personal consumption, let me know. I can attach a link and you can download this figure for you, put it up onto your mirror, and make sure you're following the muscles. There's no point pushing the muscles in the wrong way, because that's only going to cause sagging and more wrinkles. So this is highly recommended, and especially for summers, it's really good. It really calms your skin down. It's also very good if you've been out in the sun for very long, because when you're out in the sun, your skin gets inflamed, irritated, and heated up, and in such instances your pigmentation can become really bad. So this really calms your skin down. I got this for $300, but lately one of my clients was telling me it's now available for some $1,200, $1,500. I'm like, what the hell? So maybe if you just use ice cubes and use a clean tissue or a clean face cloth, you're as good. So you don't really require a contraption like this. If you've been using any of these derma rollers, please do leave a comment and let me know what your experience has been with these. And till I catch you next time, be good to your skin and hair. Ciao.